So I'm a full-time artist. I've been an artist now for 6 years, and what I try to do with my art is spread love and positivity. This is going to be about, pretty much spreading love in these different times. I just like everything about the movement, how it's, it feels as though it's moving forward. And sometimes, when something as big as this is happening, you're not going to agree with everything that a person does, but as long as you can find common ground and, I guess come up with the plan to move forward, you figure everything else out along the way. And I love DC, the culture and just the vibe of DC. It's definitely changed a lot. Man, I remember it was Chocolate City. And I mainly do the flag because I feel as though DC is the greatest city in the world. And I think art is going to be a major vehicle to push forward. It's time to move forward in America. I truly believe that with a strong force and everybody moving in the same direction, it can happen.